Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we're going to do one of a few of the overhead exercises from your mat on your Spine Corrector. Today it's going to be rollover.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So I have a mat with handles and I love it. And it's a Contrology mat and we offer you a discount link. So please hit us up. If you should be able to see it in the show notes actually, but you're welcome to hit up my team in customer service and we can connect you with my salesperson. But this is the mat with the handles, makes it incredibly accessible to do an overhead exercise. But if you don't have a mat with handles and you have access to a spine corrector, there is a way to kind of use this much like you would do a one-to chair. And so I wanted to include these exercises in the OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels flashcards because I want you to see how there are ways to kind of teach yourself what you need to get yourself upside down. And it's not just the core strength, it's going to be stability in the upper back and strength as well. So to do this exercise, one, you should already know you can balance on your shoulders for a good couple of seconds. And you can do that from your rolling like a ball. You can test that out. So what I'm going to do here is have my head on the mat and my hands on the handles. I'm not going to pull down so much into my head. That would not be comfortable, but I am going to pull wide on the elbows here. I'm going to take my legs overhead. So I'm pulling wide on these handles with my elbows. My upper back gets nice and long. And then I can take my legs over because I'm pulling out on this. My upper back gets nice and strong. Flex my feet. So I kind of brought the mat to me, which allows me to really practice like not being on my neck. It's nice and loose and really stay on my shoulders. Then point the toes and roll down. I can circle the legs down as much as I can control them. Together, back overhead with pointed feet. Again, chin is up. My feet touch the barrel and I can really use the barrel to kind of stretch my back more. As I flex my feet, then I point my toes and roll down. You'll do 3 in each direction. You'll open the legs, reverse, go with pointed feet, and then flex the feet as you close the legs, extra stretch, then point and roll down. So again, you're holding on these handles. You don't want to pull down at all because that's going to compress your neck. So you want to pull wide, and that's going to give you that upper back strength you need. And you can also check out our cards and videos for jackknife and control balance. But a great way to use this, again, pulling wide, getting the upper back wide, giving you something to stand on. So it really helps make those overhead exercises more possible. And then try them on your mat without this and see what your body's go-to is to do. So that if you can't have a mat with handles, you can still get your body up and overhead and feel strong and stay out of your neck while doing it. If you have questions about this, let us know in the comments below. We go live at 9 a.m. Pacific time on Sundays answering your questions. If you're an OnlinePilatesClasses.com member, we'll go answer your questions in our members link community, including giving you feedback on your form. So definitely check us out at OnlinePilatesClasses.com/YouTube.